What I'd like to do is remind you that if time management is all about mind management, we also need to pay attention to our internal interruptions. External would be from other people, from the outside, interrupting you in some way. What would internal interruptions look like? What kinds of interruptions do you think are internal? Family member issues, thinking about how much work you have to do, procrastination, yes, that's a huge one. Family calls, text messages, wasting time trying to figure out what to work on next, easily distracted by more interesting topics, yes, personal tasks. So all of these are internal interruptions. That means you can't control when people are going to email you. You can't control when people will message you. You can't control when somebody's going to stop by your desk. However, with internal interruptions, we can control whether or not we're going to allow them to continue for a long time and whether or not we're going to allow them to drive us off track, go down that rabbit hole, and do other things instead of the most important tasks that are right in front of us.